Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to add pages to your Shopify store. To add pages to your Shopify store, you simply have to navigate to your online store, then go to pages in your admin panel. Then click on add page. It's very simple. So first of all, let's go to our online store here, as you can see. And from this area, you simply have to wait for it to load. And you will be able to view all of these things. So just pick a plan, edit theme, etc. And here, as you can see, you can manage app and install everything, add things. So let's add this template, for example. Now it's adding the template to our website. And as you can see here, we can click on it to edit the theme and basically edit anything in here. So to add, like here, we have home, we have menu, etc., etc. So you can go to the header itself. And from it, you can add sections. So here we have menu. In the menu itself, we can click on it and we can add another section, another section, another section, and so go on. So here we are in the home page. And what I'm going to do is to go to pages and I'm going to create a template. So I'm going to create a new page. Let's name it, for example, help page based on the default page and create template. And just like that, we have created like a help page. As you can see, this is very empty. And now we can add content, we can add buttons, we can add whatever we want to this specific page. So you can edit the layer as you want. It's very easy guys, nothing complicated than this, it's like easier than this. Now you simply have to work on your page. So this is like the page, you can rename it. As you can see right over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So from now on, you simply have to do these few steps and you will be able to create your own page on Shopify store. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment. Make sure to leave us any questions in the comment section as well. And see you guys in this upcoming video.